Having trouble with Outlook not opening, crashing, or not syncing emails? A corrupted profile could be the problem. In this video, I'll show you how to create a brand new Outlook profile in just a few steps. First, close Outlook completely. Then open the Control Panel. You can do this by typing Control Panel in the Windows search bar and hitting Enter. In Control Panel, make sure the View by setting is set to small icons or large icons. Then click on Mail. A mail setup window will pop up. Click on Show Profiles. Now click Add to create a new profile. Now follow the wizard to add your email account. Enter your name, email address, and password. Outlook will try to set it up automatically. Once that's done, back in the Mail window under When Starting Microsoft Outlook, use this profile, choose your new profile, and select Always use this profile. Then click Apply and OK. Open Outlook. It should launch fresh with your new profile. Just give it time to load up all your emails again and you should be good to go. The status can be checked down in the taskbar. Still having issues? Drop your error message in the comments and I'll help you troubleshoot it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell if this helped you out. Until the next bug, stay fixed.